Sam, you've invited us here to Status Metrology in Nottingham. Could you tell us a little bit about the relationship between Status Metrology and Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence?
Yes, of course. Hexagon and Status are a partnership, but Status are also customers to Hexagon. So whereas, as you know, Hexagon look after our group machines, and we've got this drive at the moment for the retrofit controllers on the older machines where the controllers and the electronics need replacing. Status are really good partners with us on looking at non-group machines, so non-Hexagon machines. And what they do is they take the RC1 controllers and PC DMIS software, and they go out and they put the PC DMIS software and controllers onto non-group machines, so therefore spreading PC DMIS throughout the market.
And the benefit to Hexagon?
Oh, the benefit to Hexagon is obviously continuing that customer relationship and making sure that we look after our customers. I mean, a big part of what we do and a big part of why we partnership with Status is the aftermarket support. So whether we retrofit a machine or we sell you a new machine, we have a wide aftermarket support. We have over 30 engineers and over 1,300 engineers worldwide. And Status also, when they retrofit on a non-group machine, they look after their customers in the same principle. We both have our gold, silver and bronze level of service, and that's a big part of what we do.
And does it put the opportunity sometimes over that other equipment could be sold to the customer because you've opened the door with a retrofitted product?
Exactly, yes. So Status will go into, like I say, non-group machine customers, and what they're doing when they install an RC1 and they're putting PC DMIS into that customer, they're introducing the market-leading software into that customer, and then that opens up a raft of opportunity for Hexagon and Status to help that customer grow as they grow in metrology, to grow their footprint of machines.
Richard, you head up the sales and marketing here at Status Metrology. Now, I've just spoken to Sam about your relationship with Hexagon, but what I'm really interested in is talking about Status Metrology and what you offer to the market.
Okay, so we're unique in our proposition. We offer PC DMIS-based retrofits and second user machines. So we fill that gap between customers that are looking at something brand new, want a market-leading software package, and maybe somebody who hasn't quite got the budget allowance to allow them to afford that, but they don't want to compromise on the technology or software they introduce to their business.
So why specifically Hexagon then?
We've been with Hexagon since 1999, long-term service partner of theirs. What we do for them is enable them to access an area of the market that might be trickier to get into, basically around budget restrictions, companies that want the software, they want the technology, but maybe haven't got quite the funds. And also, through retrofitting, we expand the serviceable life of machines, be that a Hexagon machine or other manufacturers.
And do you sell new machines for Hexagon?
We have a limited range of entry-level machines that we can, of course, offer to the customers. We tend to work in the spirit of the partnership with Hexagon by passing those referrals back, and we work together that way.
And when you're looking at a specific project for a customer, do you actually put the retrofit together themselves, or do they ask you to actually retrofit a machine in their specific way?
It's a really interesting question. Hexagon do their own retrofitting service in-house. What we do is we come to the market for non-Hexagon machines, all different makes and manufacturers out there, and through the RC1 controller, what we're able to do is convert those machines across to PC DMIS. But not only that, Mark, what's really interesting about that is we can take a machine that is conventionally a touch probe CMM, and we can introduce new sensor technology, so lasers and camera systems, or even tactile scanning. So we really broaden the scope of what the machine can do, and we're introducing PC DMIS, which is tremendously well received in the marketplace and a real selling point for both us and Hexagon.
And what are the benefits to the customer buying a retrofitted machine?
Well, we do an awful lot of them. The first one is that they get access to market-leading software, PC DMIS. It's really well received. Second one is that they are able to future-proof their machine, ensure its serviceable life going forward, add some certainty to their business. But also, what they can do is they can really receive great value for money, because it's so much more cost-effective than replacing a conventional granite bed, where the technology probably has got plenty of years left in it.
And what sort of warranty do you put on the machines that you sell back to the customer?
So there's no compromise. It's to make our solution as easy and as acceptable for the customer. So we put a full 12 months parts and labour warranty on it, just like if you're buying a new machine or any machine of that matter.
So for any engineers that don't know Status Metrology, that may be thinking about a retrofit machine that's obviously not being used at the moment, or maybe a new machine, what's your message to them?
Well, it's really, really easy to get in touch with us. Either go online, send us an email, pick up the phone. We're all about visiting the client, so the first point of call is to arrange an appointment, get a really good understanding of what their requirements are. We'll then look at demonstrating the solution to them, either here or on site virtually through a laptop. PC DMIS is a huge selling point for us. People in the market receive it really, really well. And often people don't understand until they've actually seen the software firsthand just how capable it is. Recently, they've introduced a module called IP Measure, which means that the software now goes through all of the programs that have been created in it, giving it the fastest cycle time with some clever collision detection software built in. So, you know, it's always evolving, it's always getting better, and that's really well received.
And the size of the CMM, is that a problem to Status Metrology?
Not at all, not at all. We work from very small CMMs all the way up to huge CMMs. Only in the last 6 months we've supplied a 3-metre long laser scanner, PC DMIS powered CMM to an automotive client. But commonly, as you can see behind you, machines of all makes and sizes.
So a great solution for customers and a great relationship with the Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're really proud to have been in partnership with Hexagon since 1999, and long may that continue.